Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you what is inside my Ipsy bag and my BoxyCharm box for the month of December. Yay! I am excited to see what is in these packages for this month. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. I am so sorry that this video did not come out on Friday. So sorry. Reason being is that my BoxyCharm box did not get delivered until late Friday night. So now I'm doing the video late Sunday night. Makes a lot of sense. But yeah, I just sorry. Stuff happens. Y'all know. I don't know if it's just me or just the post office in general has been terrible this month. I mean, normally they're like on it for Christmas and the holidays, but this month they've just been terrible. Ugh. Anywho, so I am ready to see what is in these two packages for December. Let's go ahead and start with my Ipsy bag. This is the bag for the month of December. Ooh, she's pretty. Nice and sparkly. I don't like how it's black in the back. I think if it would have been like the gold, like a gold leather fabric in the back or faux leather fabric in the back, that would be cool. But the fact that it's black, it just, yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, but I'm a fan of the front and the little tassel. And of course it says Ipsy on the bottom. All right, let's see what we got. All right, here's the card. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for our holiday gift to you, a bonus 6 Glam Bag product. It says, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and we've got all the festive feels. From dressing up in our sparkliest looks to getting cozy by the fire with our faves, there's so much to love about the holiday season. So make your list and check it twice. Here's a few ways to help you have a gorgeous month. It says gorge, but that's no. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we have a brush from Farah. I've never heard of this brand. This is the 35E. I do believe this brand is cruelty-free, though, because I was checking. Mine's chipped right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's chipped right there. That's weird. I'm just going to keep scratching at it. It's a nice, fluffy blending brush. I don't know. It actually... Does that look like it's been used? I don't know. I'm going to have to talk to Ipsy about this one because this looks like it's been used and it's chipped. So I'm not going to do anything with this until I talk to Ipsy about it. Yeah. All right. The next item we have is from SL Miss Glam. This is the L36. This is the highlighter brush. I actually have one of these brushes, so I'm going to pass this along. I have so many highlighters. I know you guys are like, oh, Melissa passed on a highlighter brush. Yes, because I have so many highlighter brushes, and I kind of like the ones that I got. Y'all know what I mean. So I think I'm going to pass this along to someone else who may need a new highlighter brush. Benefit. What? This brand is not cruelty-free. Why is this in my bag? This is Benefit's Professional Pore Primer. I am definitely passing that on because we all know I don't use Benefit. Ooh! Grace and Stella Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. Deep Sea Mud Mask. I heard deep skin cleanser. So is it a mask or a cleanser? It does say it's cruelty free and it's vegan. That's awesome. I have heard that people go to like the Dead Sea and they like scoop out the sand and put it all over their face for like the skincare. It has the directions of a mask, but it says deep skin cleanser. I don't get that. I don't know, but I am excited to try this out. I like the bottle too. It's got like this, I don't know if it's it's got like this ombre effect going on. It's really cool. I like that. All right, what do we got? We got a foil eyeshadow from The Balm. It is foiled again in the shade Red Handed. It's nice little cranberry shade. I'm going to pass this along because I have shades like this and I'm trying not to keep... Did I listen on my page? Y'all just tell me. I'm trying not to keep, you know, multiples of stuff. Okay. This is probably what came in it. This is from Catherine Natural Cosmetics, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. This is a highlighter in Sienna's Highlight. It says all over powder. It's in the shade Spread the Love. I don't know if I want to keep this or not, because it looks like it might be a little bit too dark for me. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I don't know. I'm up in the air about that. And that is, why is this pink? This bag is all sorts of discombobulated with colors. Okay, so I gotta talk to Ipsy about this because it's scratched and it looks like it's been used. I am definitely excited about the mud mask. I am more likely going to pass this on. I'm kind of up in the air about this to see, because I've been wanting to try this brand out for a while. But yeah, I don't know about this yet. I am definitely going to pass on the highlighter brush and I threw it across my desk, and the Professional. So I am going to pack all this back up and then we're going to see what's in my BoxyCharm box. All right, now it's time to see what is in my BoxyCharm box for the month of December. I did not upgrade to BoxyLoo yet. I'm still on the fence if I'm going to do that or not. I do want to upgrade to the Ipsy deluxe bag when it's available again. I do want to do that. But yeah, let's see what's in the BoxyCharm box. Okay, they have no foam in here, so that's awesome. The theme, it's just a card. The theme for this month is "'Tis the Sea Sun." Okay, that flamingo's cute though. And this is all that is listed. All right, let's see what we got. We got something from Pretty Vulgar. It is their Powder Room Matte About It translucent. I can never say that word. Translucent setting powder. I normally, ooh, look at this puff. That's cute. For this being translucent, it does have a color to it. I am going to try this out. Normally, I don't use powders like this, but I really do want to try this out to see if I like it or not. So that's cool. All right, what do we got next? We have, ooh, from Tarte, we have the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade It's the Famous. Let's swatch this bad boy. Okay, this looks more like a gloss topper than an actual lip paint. That's what it feels like too. And I think that's what this is. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, because now that I have it on my hand, you can't really see the sparkle in it. It just, I don't know. I don't know about this. I was excited, but now I'm not. All right, so we have an eyeliner from the brand Bodyography in the shade Timber. Oh no, this is a lip pencil. I can't read. It's nice. It's a beige, brown neutral pencil. I got to see if this brand's cruelty-free though. Ooh, I have been wanting to try this brand. This brand is is called Cosmetics. It is their detox activated charcoal mask. This brand is cruelty free. There's their bunny on the bottom of the tube. I have been wanting to try this brand. They actually reached out to me and I got to get back to them. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. All right, now the big items for this month, they were either the Suva Beauty palette or a hair straightener, a mini hair straightener. I got the hair straightener. I kind of really wanted the Suva Beauty palette, even though they're the same colors as I normally have. I've been wanting to try Suva Beauty for a long time now. But I'm kind of glad I got this straightener. This is from the brand PYT. It says it's a girl's world. It is a mini ceramic styling tool. It's actually packaged quite nicely. Ooh, that's cute. And she looks like this. As I was saying, I'm actually kind of glad I got this because I can use this for my wigs when I want to straighten them out. So I'm not hauling down my big old clunky straightener from upstairs. So I think this is pretty cool. I mean, even though I was wanting the Suva Beauty palette, I'm kind of excited about this. This is pretty neat. All right, I'm going to put all this up and we'll talk about prices. Okay, so the Tarte, okay, it says Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. When I think of that, I think of their lip paint formula with a shimmer in it. This, on the card, says exactly what it is. It is a sheer lip gloss. It's kind of misleading. This retails for $20. I'm probably not going to keep this because I actually have Makeup Revolution glosses that are a lot better than this. So I'm probably going to pass that on. The lip liner. Oh, it's vegan and cruelty free. It says it's infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. I have to try this out. Yeah. This retails for $12, which is kind of expensive for a lip liner. The powder retails for $32. What? There's always that one item you're just like, why is it that much? That's this item. Oh. Never mind. The charcoal mask. There is, how much is in this? 1.3 ounces in this tube for $30 freaking $30. I can get a Freeman Feeling Beautiful mask for $5 and it's 4 times the size of this. In fact, I actually have one that does the exact same thing. Wow. Holy cow. This straightener is $75. My big one that I have upstairs didn't even cost only cost half of that. $75 for a straightener? Oh my God, that is insane. Woo! I think BoxyCharm is seriously reaching when it comes to these products. I'll keep the straightener. I'm going to try out the mask. I'm going to try out the powder. I'll keep the lip liner. I'm going to get rid of the lip paint because I wasn't really impressed with the swatch. So, and that is all that I have for you guys. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. Of course, she looks like this. And tomorrow is the last day that you can order this bad boy and get it in time for Christmas. So if you're wanting to get this, and right now she's still only $10. And if you want to get her before Christmas, you're going to have to order by tomorrow, December 17th. I'm actually wearing Hubster on my eyes today as my liner. Pretty cool. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell, because unfortunately YouTube was destined to make that bell thing. That way you know when I'm posting, even though we know I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye. My painting back there makes it look like my hair is like wonky. Lippy's a lot darker than what I thought it was. Yes, I'm still testing out nail polish. Alright, now to see what is inside this box. This box. Freaking BoxyCharm done bumped their heads. Between a $75 straightener and benefit being in my Ipsy bag, I don't think I like this month.